everybody, what's up? It's your girl China K, and you're watching this week's episode of the On My Mind series. You know, what day I'm there in Jamaica, I'm gonna go sugar and spice to get a cherry Danish. I'm gonna look across the road at the embassy. I'm gonna say, yo, all the lines so long. The line longer down the road, round the bend, and round at one part. And I thought, I wonder what people in Jamaica think America is like. You know, America. Land of the free, home of the brave, the land of opportunity, and the land where everybody has a chance of the American dream. And it's also the land where some people are yard feel like some money grew up on tree over here, and them feel like just because things cost $1, that dollar is very easy to get, but more time them never realize you have to work all 2-3 jobs just for that same dollar there. So I spoke to some people and asked them, hey, what do you think America is like? And this is what they had to say.
Oh, up and running, America. Well, you don't know, But I could say, guys in session I want to been to America because you hear say there's a lot of luxury life in America. So we like to be in America soon. America, here the family come. Check out.
America's land and opportunity, all the way.
Yeah, man, America is a major terrorist country, man. America cause the whole problem in this world, so. Get rid of America and you get rid of heart of the problem in this world, so. America is the biggest human rights abuser in this world. America sell weapons to criminal. America invade Syria, Libya, Iraq. Where they hear this now, a judge in New York accused Iran of the 9/11 bombing. Yet still America invade Afghanistan and Iraq over the same problem. What more you want me say? America is a criminal country. Plain and simple. The United States of America is a criminal country. And every president of the United States should have got the Hague. Should have tried for war crime. Barack Obama is the worst one. And Hillary Clinton, trust me, she responsible for what going on in Libya right now. Hillary Clinton go to Libya. She was the Secretary of State when the coalition bombed Libya. Hillary Clinton said, we came, we saw, he died. That after them murder Muammar Gaddafi, we not do nobody nothing. Upon the pretense that the man a kill half him own people them. Lie. Not no go so. And the amount of things we can say about America, trust me, man, are the wickedest country on earth. Plain and simple.
I tell you what me believe about America now. Me believe America is a good place to go live in. As me say, left Jamaica like a suffrage island like this. We don't know anything go. Me the elder talk some like thing about America, this and that, about Libya and this and that, and how America sell weapon to ISIS man, and America sell weapon to all type of criminal. But me really believe about it still.
America is a nice country. It's a country where people from Jamaica go and make a better life. And a lot of nice people come from America, and you have a lot of beautiful ladies over America. You don't know, America is a nice country. Yeah, Obama is a good man. He help a lot of people.
America is a beautiful country, very big and all that. They have lovely people and all that. Beautiful ladies like you and thing. You get me? But some of my people them know, some people like we Jamaicans get for dislike them because the racism, when I really like them things. All day my brethren come down and tell me how some white people are treat him and all of that at them for come off of the train and thing. And yeah, them things make me pre them on a different level. But I know say you have good people over there but do good things and love Jamaica and things. So you see it kinda hard for
I think America is like a jailhouse same. It just work for live as in modern day slavery, still not slavery, nothing change.
America's nice. I've been there before still, only Canada.
I think America is a nice place, a lot of opportunity over there and things. So I would like to go over there. I'm not going to bash them, because I have my things I'm not too like over there still, but I do believe it's a nice place still, but yeah, now I go bash it. That's it.
Thomas American mix. You see me? Faggot and the straight. So if you go to America, you have to be careful. You see me? And careful what you're doing and whose girl you're calling. See me? Because you have a man and you have a woman them. I have a man them want to be woman. I have a woman them want to be man. Yeah, so it's a corrupted place still, but majority of Jamaica people want to go to America to the fantasy life and the lifestyle.
I never went to America, but as far as I hear, I think America is one of the best countries in the whole world, Yeah. 'Cause everybody wants to go to America. Nobody wants to go to England and France and just US. So I believe the most beautiful country in the world.
I couldn't answer that question because I never travel from a barn. I work with what I see. I can't talk about what I hear.
No lady, I never travel in my life. I one person ever gonna Trelawney.
Alright, what do you think America's like?
Girl, it big and full of big building and pretty car. But in honesty, I think America is a place that's just filled with technology and development. But it still has its faults, just like here in Jamaica, as what is there is also here. It's just that they are more advanced in technological development.
Shout out to Fearless Apparel for this dope gear, and also shout out to Button It JA for my custom On My Mind series button. See you guys next week.